gonna show you when you're mine. Treasure, that is what you are.
Hey guys, it's Ashley from Be Skill Be Fit. Alright guys, you want to come in and join me? We've got quite the crew today. Alright, so our first move, we're going to right arm, left arm, and then right elbow, left elbow. Yeah, so it's just right, left, and then you're going to do that again, but it's going to be a little bit faster. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we think we've got that. All right, we'll try that with the music.
Girl, I'm gonna show you when you're mine.
Good. All right, we'll try that one more time.
Girl, I'm gonna show you when you're mine.
Excellent. Now, if you feel comfortable, you can add a little bit of a step into that. So it can be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So only if you're comfortable. All right, we'll do that one more time to the music with the step.
Girl, I'm gonna show you when you're
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. All right, so after that, you're gonna hit the drums. You're gonna go, and then you're gonna jump in the air and catch the wall. All right, ready? So we'll go the drums, in the air and catch the wall. All right, should we put that all together? All right, are we ready? So we'll start off, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, drums in the air. Whoa, excellent. All right, we'll do that with the music. Ready?
Girl, I'm gonna show you when you're
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, drums and cut. Excellent. All right, we'll do that again.
Girl, I'm gonna show you when you're
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, drums and cut. Excellent. All right, one last time with the music. Have you guys got
Girl,
it?
I'm gonna show you when you're
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, drums and cut. Awesome. So now the next move you're going to do, you're going to put your hands on your hips in a fist. Shake to the right, shake to the left, shake to the right again. And then you're going to do a whirl with your arms and step to the left. A whirl with your arms, step to the right. All right, should we try that, just that move? Yeah. So we've gone up in the air, we've caught this. Now we're going to go hands on hips, swing, swing, swing. Arms around to the left, arms around to the right. Good, should we do it with the music?
Girl, I'm gonna show you when you're
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, jump, cut, swing, swing, swing. Round, and then you just do that one more time. All right, so you've already taught this way. Now you're just gonna add in one more. Exact same move. If you're feeling comfortable, you can get now nice and low and make it down nice and low like this. All right? Try it with the music all together.
Girl, I'm gonna
Ready?
show you when you're
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump and cut. Swing, swing, swing. Round and get low. Good. Right, we'll do that with the music. Are we ready?
Girl, I'm gonna
Ready?
show you
Go.
when you're mine. Treasure, that is what you are. Girl, I'm gonna show you when you're mine. Treasure, that is what you are. Girl, I'm gonna show you when you're mine.
This time with the music,
Girl,
guys.
I'm gonna show
Ready?
you when you're mine. Treasure, that is what you are. Honey, you're my gold.
Beautiful, guys. That was really good. Thanks for watching.